Cars USA here, and today in this video I am going to be doing a tire upgrade for my Mini Revo, the car that started this YouTube channel. And I'm going to be upgrading tires and wheels for Prowling Badlands. There's going to be a height difference in tires, so I'm going to have to gear down the pinion gear, the gear that's on the motor. If you don't know what a pinion gear is, just gonna remove all 4 tires. Start off with those 2. Remove all the grass. Only reason that I'm upgrading is, if you can see there, they're starting to separate from the rim. And I thought I'd just do an upgrade because I haven't really filmed this car in a while. Remove the last one. Here's the old tires. I might sell them. Honestly, don't know. I think it should be good as long as clearance goes. Just gonna tighten the tires down now. If you go back into a couple of my videos, Project 100 mile an hour, when it had these tires, I didn't really like this setup. So that's why I started to turn it to an honored car. I was just wondering how the Mini Revo would look with these tires, and how performance would go, all that sort of stuff. It is going to raise the center of gravity a bit. Traxxas advertises this car as a monster truck. Not really with these tires, but now, yeah, it's really a monster truck. Forgot about body clips. Yeah, now this is a monster truck. It can't even fit 2 tires under there. I mean, like, with these tires, you can only fit 1 tire and it would be on the ground with 1 tire off. But gives you a bit more clearance. So I'm going to the camera here. Remove the gear cover first. Then a motor screw. Now I can remove that. And I'm going to be lowering it down to a 23 tooth. What I have on there right now, I believe, is a 28 tooth. And that will cause some major heat issues. Going to open the battery tray and pull out the U.S.A. That should give enough clearance to remove the motor. Then gonna remove that 1 screw. If I can get enough clearance for it, right there. Gonna remove the pinion gear, loosen the grub screw, and then it should slide right off. Just like that. Then I'm going to remove the grub screw from the pinion gear. And then slide it back on. And then right after that, gonna tighten it down. Make sure that it's on there tight so it doesn't come off. And then going to install the motor. Then Gonna set the gear mesh. Just gonna grab a small screwdriver. And slide it on the pinion gear. And then you want to move the motor until you can hear the slightest amount of clicking in between the spur and pinion gear. I don't know if the camera does the audio well, but that sounds about right to me. Gonna grab the gear cover. Make sure that there is a click when I snap it down. There we go. Gonna install the screw. And then going to slide the U.S.A back in. Close up that battery tray. Plug in the motor. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Share, like, and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.